Hi, I'm Ruti and let me give you a house tour of this home. It's a 650 square meter, a luxurious one floor home. It's located in Quaker Hills. Let me show you. You can see there is a huge entrance in front of us. It's a home with a good sunlight. You can see a light all over the home. So this is the front of the home. Let me show you the garage. It's a two-car garage. You can see. Now let me show you inside. This is the entrance. It's a 4-bedroom home and this is the master bedroom. Here it's a wardrobe. It's a big wardrobe but it's a pretty mess, so I won't show you. And here it's an attached washroom. You can see. Let me show you the living area. It's a huge living space. This is the sitting area. And let me show you the other bedrooms. Let me show you bedroom number 2. This is a bedroom with a huge window. And here it's a wardrobe. Now bedroom number 3. It's a bed. Basically the same design, wardrobe, windows and a bed. And now it's a general washroom. Now let's see the kitchen area. It's a huge. This is the dining area. It has a huge storage. It's an oven and that's a dishwasher. And here we have an extra storage. And let me show you the last bedroom, bedroom number 4. Here we have a laundry. And now it's way to the backyard. And the backyard is really the huge one. It's the area from where we enter. From the kitchen we have access to the backyard. It's a huge home.